Well, today I'm checking my air pump, well, one of them. It's a question of noise. Now, you think it's something inside the pump that needs replacing when it starts tapping, you hear noise. Not always. In this case it is condensation. The air pump is kept in the shed when it's on, and because the shed's warm it can build condensation up on inside of the pump, and this is what you see coming out here. I don't know if you can see it, but you get this water. You get water coming out of it. Some more here that came out. There you go. And that is a condensation inside of the pump. And obviously if that gets onto your electrics, it will automatically fuse. A lot of people think that the water that's getting into the pump is going down the pipe from the pond. Let's turn this off. You can see the water coming out at the end of the pipe. That is what's got inside the pump through condensation. And you just need to run the pump for about 5 minutes like this, so that all the water is dispelled. But a lot of people do think that it's the pipe and the water's coming down the pipe. It's not always the case. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll check you in the next one. Please subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care.